Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a Ramadan reminder from Taleem YouTube. It comes in a hadith: من صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Whoever fasts in the month of Ramadan with true iman, with believing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is his Lord, his creator, and that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the servant and messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and everything which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has come with in Quran and Hadith, Quran and Sunnah, he believes it with pure heart. And he wahtisaban, and he hopes in the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that he will get the reward when he fasts for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. His past sins will be forgiven. This is a great point mentioned by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The question is, why did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam say wahtisaba, that you need to hope for the reward? Because this is from the sifah of a mu'min, from the quality of a mu'min, that when he does something for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he hopes that his sins are forgiven. Now in this hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is mentioning one of the virtues of fasting, and he's saying that your sins are going to be forgiven. So as a believer, we are meant to be hoping as it is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives your sins. The reason why is, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgiving your sins, He is going to be pleased with you because you have no sins left after that. Once you have been forgiven from a sin, that's it, is wiped off. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy with you. So we need to hope and seek the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in hoping for this reward, we are essentially hoping for the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there is no happiness bigger for a mu'min than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala being happy with him. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the true understanding of what fasting is, and allow us to do fasts and do good actions for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Ramadan reminders. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.